Alright, the fun has begun now. We're running to Chicago right now.
Chicago. I'm the only one who's not.
It's a great city. They have a great band called Chicago, from Chicago.
Not just the song called Chicago. It's pretty good.
Yep, Take Me Back to Chicago. Sweet Home Chicago. Yes, this is our resident crooner extraordinaire, Jared Tomac. Likes to supply the tunes like Michael Bublé, Andy Williams, Tony Bennett.
All those guys.
All the classics.
The people that actually know how to sing.
They do. Very, very much so. Let's see, they got subpar horse teams. Hold up, slow down, guys. The Bears used to be good. They suck now.
They were going to 85.
Yeah, when they won.
What's that vehicle you think? Jay Cutler was signed to the Miami Dolphins.
He was, for some stupid reason.
They gave him a $10 million contract.
I don't know why.
You gotta get down the way back.
Alright.
Well, at least when we face Miami this year, it's gonna be a free win.
Which won't happen.
I'm sorry.
So yeah, we'll have a nice shot of all the smog again. You can clearly see the nice blue sky, clear blue sky, a wonderful day today.
And then smog.
And then below it, brown clouds.
Yeah, brown clouds.
Because industry, that's why.
I like watching the water up here.
I don't know how good the audio is going to be on this because it's windy.
Yeah. Hopefully you can hear it. Oh my god. How powerful this is.
I'll have to use the, my free trial on audio software again. Slow down, slow down. Hey, do you guys know what kind of ducks he was talking about when he said the V formation?
Yeah.
Which ones?
The ducks.
What kind of ducks?
Yeah.
What kind?
Yeah. Geese?
Mighty Ducks. The movie?
Yeah, no.
V formation? You know Emilio Estevez? We're too high up on the shore.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be really strong by the end of this video.
Put it on your face.
No, it's not a vlog then.
Yeah. So how are you guys doing wherever you guys are watching? I hope you guys are doing well.
Yeah, we hope all the 6 viewers that will ever watch this,
Yeah.
including one of which will be me, and another one will be somebody on this team that I have on camera as saying, will subscribe and watch the videos. Hold up, slow down.
Duck.
We lost the duck.
We lost that.
It's alright.
Hey, are you live streaming this on Twitch?
No, can't do that.
Yeah, you can.
Kyle, I'm sorry we keep leaving you. We're a little bit too excited. It's my fault.
We are very excited, but you know, that's what BJ is all about.
Exactly. And like not going anywhere, like right now. Like look at how much we're not moving.
Like I'm running hard and I'm barely moving.
Yeah. My toes are broken too.
Yeah, me too. Like my Achilles,
Yeah.
might crack.
Yeah, it's gonna be bad. But we'll survive.
This takes a lot of toe strength for the crack.
Alright, everybody shift right a bit. We need solid ground. There we go. There we go. I don't think if the water decides to touch us, that's fine. We just can't make an effort
I never
to get in there.
The water touched me.
Yeah. Like it's just creeping up here. Oh, beautiful butterfly.
Driftwood.
Yeah, there's a lot of driftwood. There's been like entire trees we passed up. You 6 viewers might have seen it in the background.
We passed a dead fish. I don't think we got on camera, but we'll show you on the way back.
Well, we didn't get a good shot of it. It might be in the background somewhere.
Yeah.
There's some people coming up.
They're in the water. Oh my god, they're gonna die.
Yeah, one of them's a girl, so maybe she's hot.
is gonna die. Hopefully.
After all, we have the winner of The Bachelor right here.
That's good.
You know, you guys missed that joke when we were stretching, but yeah, he won. Slow down.
I won, and they asked me, why am I here today? Because you can't miss beach day.
Especially not your senior year.
Yeah.
Some would argue that's the perfect time to miss. All those people are dumb.
He was bad.
Yeah. These appear to be older people. Don't know how well you can see them.
Talk about our viewers. Look about 4 decent piece.
Yeah, looks like it. I mean, who knows? Sometimes they're still hot. That's true. That dude's pretty jacked. His biceps are the size of my head. His pecs are pretty nice too. He's not like Larry the Lobster. He does not need to get to a rowing machine. His latissimus dorsi has not gone flabby. It was bad. It was bad. I did not even show you viewers because I don't know what you would have done.
Like, if I showed you, you would have just stopped the video.
Yeah, and I don't want that. It's only a 6-minute video anyway, right now. I at least want to get you for like a good 20 minutes. Would anybody else like to lead on the camera?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Turn it over to the Bachelor.
That man, turn it over to me. This is everybody. Say hi, everybody. That's
What up?
Eric.
What up?
Cole.
Hey!
Kevin, you're
Yes!
That's Kyle. We're just having a great time running.
This is the good team. The girls team are not cool enough to have their own camera.
Yeah, they're not cool enough, so.
We've had the camera for 2 years. This guy knows how to work it better than I do.
Oh, yeah.
Probably. He's used it a lot more than I have.
I've filmed basically every other video, mostly.
Yeah. It's been great.
That's been great. There's people playing football over there.
Yeah, we're coming up on another beach. There's some young kids, so I'm not going to look at them because I'm not that kind of person.
Yeah, we're not perverts.
I mean, we are, but we're not like, you know, pedophiles. Yeah, we're not Chester molester.
He's using a shovel. Everyone's staring at us, but just look natural.
Have you never seen a camera? Look in it.
Yeah, let's hear at the winner of
Come on, people that work at McDonald's know how to work in front of a camera better than most other people.
I remember that, yeah.
It's pretty sad. So far, she's the only one that's never looked in it.
Oh, it got wet again.
Oh.
We're going down. Oh, you this guy?
I'm on a hill. I'm not on a boat.
I wish we were on a boat.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Here's another view of all the smog.
Yeah, the smog cloud is growing.
The water that we're not allowed to run in or walk in or touch.
It sure sounds good though.
Rebel. There's some people coming up. I don't really want to show you them, so.
That's right. Morning.
Oh, holy moly.
Oh.
That little girl just tried to kill us.
Well, you know what? She ate shit in the sand.
And she did eat shit.
It was pretty funny. Her dad thought it. Mr. You know, we've never gone on this path. Probably not. Folks could see us the whole time.
Yeah, you probably can. Well, maybe not. Can you see them?
Just to zoom in.
Well, what's that green thing in there?
It's a balloon. There's a balloon. Somebody clearly had their birthday out here.
What is that?
Silly string.
It's like confetti.
I don't know.
Can't really get the seagulls.
Isn't that funny? Viewers?
Son of a bitch! Yeah, now! Son of a... beautiful, but why keep running them? They hurt when you step on them though, so don't do that. Here's the American flag. We're gonna come by up. We might stop for a moment of silence to rest Donnie.
There's like something, there's like a jacket hanging from it. I hope it's not a person.
Yeah, we might have to call 911.
Good thing we don't have phones.
Get in there. That is good. Oh, never mind. It's safety equipment. That's safety equipment. That's the opposite of what we were thinking.
Your life preserver.
Get in there.
That was a pathetic shot. I hope you
Pathetic shot. I hope not. Kiss America. Salute.
Hey, this is my 5K course part.
The cameraman throw it. You see, because he's actually athletic, unlike the rest of them.
We're now running on a 5K course.
It's not that 12, right?
Well, it just keeps going. When I plug it into the computer, it's every 12 minutes.
Hold on, let's stop.
So you're fine, just keep going. You have to edit that out of the video. I don't want anybody to know the biggest secret.
I'll put down this. Oh, here's a boat.
Oh, it's a catamaran. That'd be cool.
Are you listening? No? We're good.
The balls of my feet hurt so bad.
So, I know.
Anybody got anything interesting to say? I think we're losing the 6 viewers. We're down to 4.
We're losing them, guys. I don't know what to talk about.
Including me, I'm not even watching anymore.
Yeah, I'm just on my side now. Some more driftwood, I guess.
Another guy coming.
There's a guy coming. Oh, wait, is that a girl? Yeah. I'm for that. Sorry. Oops. Whoopsie daisy. Who gives a shit?
I'll never do it again in my life.
I won't. But I said that before once and I ended up being like,
Oh, really?
yeah. In sixth grade, I cut it in front of this car, crossing the street, and I ended up being my English teacher. I said, I'll never see that person again. My English first teacher.
Well, that's unfortunate.
It is.
We're coming up on another lady here. She appears to have a basket.
Hey, I want to see that. I need to check my name. Oh my.
Alright, we're switching again. Hold up, everybody stop. The cameraman is injured, but it's okay.
Don't mind me.
He's strong. We won't show him. He's asked us not to show him.
Please don't. I want to see my viewers like this.
He doesn't want to ruin his image. Look at all the rocks though. Oh, nice clean white feet now.
We're standing on rocks.
It is great. Oh, I'm getting pretty deep down in there. It feels pretty good. I hope I didn't pick up some bad virus or bacteria. Alright, we're getting a little bit too far in. Folds is gonna kill us. Alright, let's get back up on the sand and keep going. Ah!
Alright, let's go.
Oh, the lady also has a dog.
I think this has a dog, but you know, dogs are cool, you know?
Awesome, man's best friend. Alright, let's go. Okay. We are only almost 15 minutes in.
You gotta turn around.
Which sucks. Yeah. It really sucks.
Oh, man.
Although going back seems to always be faster.
It's always faster because you're not timing out fast to turn around, you know?
That's true. You just get back when you get back.
Some dog mark. Yeah.
There's a lot of them. Yeah.
Oh, God.
I know this is very boring, but at least you have the
views of the beach.
The nice waves. You know, we have our nice sexy bodies.
Oh yeah.
Although I could say that in a better accent. make it more erotic. There's hold on, there's a special bird right there.
You don't want to disturb the wildlife.
What kind of bird is that?
I think it's a gray seagull.
Is there such thing?
I have no idea.
Anybody here a bird expert? Anybody?
The viewers?
Maybe you viewers, can you please leave in the comments below? What kind of bird is that?
It's a pitto. It's a pitto? Pitto.
It does look a bit like a dove. Must be some special kind. Some two birds banged real hard, and they made a special bird.
It looks like a mix of a seagull and then some type of great.
You come here. I'm not gonna harm you. I just want to get a nice.
Please don't leave.
Come on. I have a contract for you to sign.
You have to blow your. You gotta blow your face.
Ah! No! He died.
That's weird. You stepped on him. I'm gonna catch it.
Put him in the water. Let him wash away. Even though he'll come back. There's a goodbye. Rest in peace.
Goodbye.
Jared's always been involved with the death of wildlife.
Sorry.
It's so sad.
I'm so sorry. For all your animal lovers, I promise I did not kill it. It was already dead.
It was. We just happened to see it.
You just made it roll in the waves.
Well, sorry to have a downer right there, everybody. There's some cool bird tracks here, though, too. All right, let's go. Hold up, hold the phone. He found a jack for jacks. That's awesome.
We're gonna play jacks now.
You guys got to keep your eyes peeled. You viewers too. We may or may not come back to get anything you may or may not find in this video, which may or may not get posted. Should you just set it up somewhere and do a slow-mo shot? That'd be funny. I think they did that in like an episode of The Fairly Odd Parents. Yeah, of them like somebody running on a beach. I think because I can hear the music in my head.
Kevin, is it time?
Nope, we still got about 2 minutes.
That's not where I was at. Time for freshman initiation.
No, we decide that.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna give them the same initiation that we were given. I think Jared knows what I'm talking about.
The initiation we were given was very, very erotic.
It was dirty. We're not gonna say it here because it'll be given away. Yeah. And somebody on the team may or may not watch this and know it's coming. But we don't want that to happen. So it looks like instead of putting lifeguards out, there's just random ass poles that have life preservers on them. And like, we'll show you one. You know, there's a lot of housing up here, but then right here, it says right here, Rush Street, we care. Rescue, put on. For rescue use. Miller Beach, Indiana. This is beyond, this belongs to Bush Street.
So instead of paying for a lifeguard, they just put a life preserver out here just in case.
The closest they get to a lifeguard is the lifeguard that's printed on a picture. So that's pretty sad.
That's not even really real human.
I'm extremely sad about that. You know, you very slowly get faith in humanity, but you can just as easily lose it as well. And that's a perfect example.
Yeah, humanity is going down the drain.
It is. It's very hard to find people that are actually good. You know, they do good things.
There's
like,
no more philanthropists anymore. It's just
no. It's sad. It's very sad.
There's a dog.
We're going up to a beach where they appear to be playing football again. But we're gonna have to turn around in 20 seconds.
Oh boy, gone.
You better hurry up. Can't break the flying V formation. This hurts. This really hurts. Oh! I'm not wearing any shoes. What are you doing? Oh, 2002.
So I don't want to cuss on this. I'm gonna relax right now.
Oh, that hurts. That really hurts. We're gonna have to go extra fast on the way back. Cole's doing what he does best.
Alright.
He's
Here's a shovel, I forgot. Oh, dude.
Maybe it's some affinity or some affliction to soft things, maybe. We're finding more and more good stuff. See, I guess we just have to run further up the beach. We just don't want to because it hurts the hell out of your feet. Well, we've begun the return journey. As you can see, we're 21 minutes in. You didn't hear what the workout was, but it was 20 minutes out, 20 minutes back. We had to stop for a slight detour for one of our underclassmen. We'll have to pay for that later. Nothing weird, as far as you know. We appear to be running a follow the leader type situation right now.
But he turned into a line.
It did. That's alright though. We can still see everybody. Waves are still crashing in. Very nice. We got a nice scent of ocean mixed, lake mixed in with sunscreen. Very nice. How is your knee holding up, sir?
It's starting to hurt right now.
Okay.
Right, have to get through.
He gets to do the fun stuff. He gets to stand at the base of the hill.
Well, I can watch.
And film everybody suffering.
I will film everybody. And no one's getting their face wiped out.
Nope.
Like, it's written on the side. When you walk into the street, you're liable to be on camera.
Yep. And also, I don't know how to do that. So I'm not gonna care to find out. It's just gonna happen. All right, hold up.
Eric.
That's fine. That's fine. As long as he can see movement.
You can't tell how far we can from him.
That's true. We're just dots to him.
I'm liking those shorts. Thank you, Eric. I'm liking yours as well. I like your the red camo. I'm a fan. Everyone looks good today. Kyle's got a Star Wars shirt on, repping out a great movie.
Yeah, that great franchise. Can't wait. Last Jedi coming out in November.
Kyle, would you like to say
Or December, I think. Never mind.
Would you like to say anything to the camera?
No? Alright.
I mean, let's be real. No one's going to actually see it. It's just me and Kyler going to watch it later. So.
Probably, yeah. That's okay. You'll have plenty more time to be on screen. Because he happens to film every meet.
Every meet, you'll be on it. Every race, the cool down.
All the comedy comes from Jared. That's why I rarely wear it myself.
Because, you know, across country, it's fun to watch, but it can get boring, you know.
You gotta spice it up.
I have to run to the different spots you don't see much. You gotta get the viewers to like it. You gotta keep them involved.
Yeah.
Oh! The butterfly. Just another dog. You don't want to disturb it.
I did already.
Picked it up.
I did already. It was me. It was my fault. I think I just saw some drugs buried in the sand.
Oh no.
It looked like a pill.
Ah, son of
Cole's trying to be funny again.
He's just not.
You should see his problem. He tries too hard. You viewers, you 6 people.
You let us know who you think is the worst.
Yeah, in the comments below.
Comments below, yes.
Please, I'm talking to you, Angela. I know what you're gonna say. I'm not funny, Jared's not funny, nobody's funny, but you're funny.
Yeah, you're not.
Ha, ha, ha! I'm sorry.
Sorry to all these viewers out there
that don't know who the heck I'm talking about. But you'll know, she'll appear on camera because she absolutely loves it.
She was on it before.
She was. She was on the introduction. She asked me if this was a vlog. And it is.
Oh, yeah.
I chose a good day to do my first vlog.
You didn't choose it. It was a great day.
I've also thought about setting this up to play like Cards Against Humanity or MDB. The Mansur lady's coming back again. I wonder what she's listening to. She has earbuds in. What do you think?
Something weird.
Probably some like grunge music, right?
Yeah.
Looks like that kind of person. Definitely not a crooner type.
No.
Then again, I don't know if I'd see you as the crooner type either, but
That's true.
much respect. You'll forever have my musical respect. You know, the great irony with crooners is that, you know, everybody knows the Rat Pack, you know, Sammy Davis Jr., Joey Bishop, Frank Sinatra, Dean Martin. They all know all those guys. They know Andy Williams. They know Bing Crosby,
Dean Martin.
whose voice has been described as butter, which it certainly is. It's a shame recording equipment wasn't good enough.
Yeah.
But guess what? All those people are dead. You know who's not? Tony Bennett.
Michael Bublé.
Well, Michael Bublé is taking crooning into the 21st century.
They have to keep it alive for the people of the future.
Yes. Him and Seth MacFarlane. It's all
I
right.
punched your elbow.
Seth MacFarlane, great big band type singer.
Yeah.
I highly recommend him. He was in the movie Sing. He performed a song. I was almost moved to tears by it.
Oh God.
But that's not hard for me to do because I'm a very whiny type person. That's not true at all, but
No.
you know,
It's a very emotional song.
sometimes a song is moving.
What was the name of the song?
I don't know.
What did it sound like? Can you give us a melody?
I can't because I don't
You don't
remember
want
it.
to ruin it.
Yeah. I don't want to do such a bad impression it completely turns you off to it. Because that's exactly what would happen. We got a new leader here.
Eric is our new leader.
I think, you know, I was about to talk trash about him. I'm not going to. He doesn't deserve it.
Some people do though.
Yeah.
You don't want to name names.
Yeah, we'll get there. We'll put him out to you when we get back to our little encampment. So I drank a little bit of coffee this morning to, you know, just wake myself up. And
You're feeling it now?
I have to shit really bad.
No correlation, but okay.
What do you mean there's no correlation?
Feels bad.
Coffee is what's called a diuretic. You know what that means?
Makes you poop.
It flushes out your system. Both exits, no waiting. I think you can fill in the blanks.
Yeah.
Even you, Angela, I think you're smart enough to figure that out.
You picked up the dead fish.
Not, is that what that is?
I don't know.
I don't think we're far enough. It was pretty close to where we started.
Oh no, it's not that way.
Uh-oh. My butthole beckons. I probably shouldn't have said that.
Oh my knee.
Hold up.
Okay, Jared, you're 30 seconds.
He'll be alright. He can, I mean, it only hurts for a couple days after you sleep. Or while you sleep. While we're just walking, feel free to look at the nice
Get up.
lake.
He's okay.
No horizon. You might be able to see Chicago over there. Maybe. See the, what you talk about, Willis Tower? Actually, I don't think it's the Willis Tower anymore. They sold the rights again.
They did?
I'm pretty sure, yeah. I don't think Willis Corporation owns it anymore. Somebody else purchased it. Oh, there's the girls right there. You know what that means, guys?
Yeah.
We gotta attack them with our shovels, and then we're gonna bury them.
Yeah. With these shovels. I don't put the shovels in there because you don't want the evidence in there, you know?
Yeah, that's true. We gotta wash them off. We have to drive out into the middle of the lake with the boat we don't currently possess.
No,
And
just
drop them. Although actually they'd probably, they wouldn't sink, they'd float back inshore and then we'd get caught like in a couple days.
Yeah, but you know, you gotta take the chance sometime.
Yeah, it'd be like the movie The Fugitive, only we don't get in a bus accident. And Kyle can play the lead because Harrison Ford's in it and he's in Star Wars.
Yep. Sounds good to me.
Oh, we're coming up to the really ugly 50-year-old lady.
Yeah.
I mean, it's really bad.
And the not so jack guy.
No, he still looks pretty good. He's got like a typical dad body, even though he probably doesn't have any kids.
Yeah.
I don't know, we're just making up a life story for him.
Making him look good.
Oh yeah, very good. But he makes himself look good. He just hangs out at the gym, you know, one of those types. You know who else hangs out at the gym all the time?
Hey, Dave.
Brandon Davis.
Are we there yet?
No.
Nope, we got about 7 minutes. Evidently the girls did not go super far down.
Yeah, they did not get 20 minutes.
I don't know if you could see that on the camera. Oh, there's a barge coming, that's what that is. It's not a battleship, what was I thinking?
It's close enough, it's cool.
The tugboat looks like a battleship. You know, it's got the radar dish on the top. Kind of like the Millennium Falcon. My battery's low. 3 miles. 9:35. That might be our fastest one today. But who cares about running? It's so much more fun to, you know, talk crap about people.
Yeah. And you see, like, the girls team, they're not nice. Look, they're leaving the people behind.
Yeah. Flying V formation. What are they doing? Look at this. You can still see everybody. Everybody's still there. They just let him go. And Fultz better be pissed about it. If he's not, I'm gonna have to file a complaint.
Yeah, report Angel.
Yeah. Who else would I report? We're getting back to our camp area.
We are.
I don't know how we ran 20 minutes that way, and it's going to take us 15 minutes to get back over here.
Well, that's how it always happens.
Time is a very strange thing, everybody. It's invented, you know. It's just a thing we're taught to believe. It doesn't really exist.
And time does not exist. It's just something everyone agreed to use.
Yeah. Also, people, anybody that watches this, please, in the comments below, say if you've seen every single minute
On the clock.
of a full 24 hours in your life.
Have you seen 1:59 in the morning?
Yeah.
On a clock.
Yes. You look at it. You look at your watch and you're like, wow, it's only 2:23 a.m.
Don't forget to smash that like button. And
Of course. Don't do that. Don't listen to this guy. He's only a sophomore. He doesn't know not to say that on a camera.
yeah, that's probably not quite.
No. He clearly is not using his mind.
Edited.
Quit making more work for me. So audio enough is going to be very tough to figure out. Oh, there's the griffin again. Fish! Oh, it got moved. Look at all those. I bet that made a really killer fillet.
Like, what fish is that?
I don't know. A big one with teeth. Similar to the bird, any of you fishers out there, like my grandfather, if you somehow figure out how to watch this, what kind of fish is that? You probably know. You probably caught it at some point. You know, I think I had another trash talking point about the girls, but I forgot what it was.
Yeah.
Although it's not hard to come up with some.
It's not hard.
They just kind of lend themselves to it.
Oh,
We got 3 minutes, guys.
I just want to make it fair.
More people appear to be populating the beach, which is alright. It's open to everybody. Although it sucks if you bring your kids here today because they cannot go in the water. They'll cry, but it'll be alright.
They can swim their tears. And we're back.
We still got 2 minutes. Two more minutes. He actually had a smile on his face.
What?
He had a smile on his face. Alright, everybody slow the roll. We lost the co-host. It's okay, don't push more than you need to. My arm's actually not as bad as I thought it would be. I guess it was all those weights we lifted yesterday. Am I right, guys?
Yeah. We're buff. Even Coach said that.
He did.
Gotta look good for the beach tomorrow.
We have some nice pipes, as my uncle would say.
How much time you got left?
Minute and a half. So close.
Absolutely, Derek.
The dunes are closing in. The water's coming up. There's a trail right there, Succession Trail, but it appears to be closed as well. Stairs temporarily closed. I guess we're not doing the stairs today.
That's unfortunate.
Extremely.
You gotta beat the girls back.
Where's Angela at? Oh, she's wearing a hat. She's lame. She runs in her socks.
All the girls do. 'Cause they're all
Everybody else
weirdos.
here's real. Everybody's barefoot. Hey, well, I mean the guys' team, because we're cool. Yeah, you heard me right.
That's exciting.
My freshman year, I did run in my shoes, but that's because I was a dumb freshman. I didn't know better. I'm not gonna get, my feet aren't gonna get wet. I'm not gonna break my ankles. Well, guess what? Breaking your ankles is pretty fun.
It is pretty fun.
I'd highly recommend it. All right, guys, we're closing in less than 30 seconds to go on the run.
Any last words? We hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, we hope you enjoy.
Come back for
part 3, the hill.
the hill.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
That'll be the funniest
Haven't
part of the
already.
thing.
That will be the best. Hopefully, we get lucky and somebody face plants. It'd be pretty great.
My commentary will be on point.
It will.
Don't forget to catch us out at the expo thing that's going
Bye,
on.
everybody.